Hey guys, Dirt and Rust here. We got a handful of pocket knives for you. And the first one is a Razor 2. Razor Hawk 2. This is by Frost Cutlery. It's got a razor and a hawkbill blade, pack of wood, nice little snap. I think this was made in Japan for Frost Cutlery. I got a little Jet-Aer Corp pocket knife here. G96, made in Japan. Got a mini Open L number 4. I don't know, that might be their smallest one, I'm not sure though. We've got a Case Hunter. This is a 3-dot, I believe it's 1977. Got a good snap. And this is the skinning blade, but it's all jacked up. And we've got the Stanley Trapper. Got a serrated edge on this Spay Blade there. This one's these two right here are made in China, but I do have them in my collection, so I thought I might show them. This one's pretty cool. It's a Ruko. It has these aluminum scales. It's a liner lock. It's got that little thumb stud there. It's got a nice little look to it, I think. And this one is just a crazy looking knife. And decorative. Let's see what it says here. This is by. There's no nail nick in it here. Let's see here. Sharper. Okay, and last we have this canoe knife by Hen and Rooster, made in Solingen, Germany. It's got a pin blade on this side. It's got some cool scales, celluloid scales on there. That is it. Thanks for watching. Bye.